Well, I'll take the pipe off. This is the right side. Just want to show you how much of LDS fluid is getting out of the pipe, the return pipe. I don't know if it should or not be normal. Both sides getting LDS. The metal and the rubber pipe is getting LDS off. Now, just to compare, I'll take the same pipe from the other side, from the left one. And I've already done that. That's why it's dirty with fluid here. But I do it again just to make a video. Same, less than the other. But from the metal one, it's getting some LDS too. But from the rubber, really less amount of oil.